Hi, I'm Martin and today I'm going to show you this lovely renovated villa in Guia, Albufeira. Come and have a look. As we step into the heart of the home, you'll see and notice the open plan design. This light-filled living space is perfect for both relaxing and entertaining. The living room offers plenty of space with large windows that bring in a lot of natural light. It's a perfect place to unwind with family and friends. Here's the kitchen, a dream for anyone who loves to cook. It's fully equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, like this collaborative induction hob and a water filtration system for pure drinking water. Let's have a look at the bedrooms. This is one of the 4 spacious bedrooms in the villa. Each bedroom is designed for comfort with air conditioning for heating and cooling, ceiling fans and plenty of space for your furniture. Let's step outside to the backyard, where you can truly appreciate the beauty of this villa. The saltwater pool is a perfect place to relax. And there's even an outdoor kitchen and barbecue area for those warm Algarve nights. For added convenience, you've got a large garage of about 80 square meters, plus an annex that can be used as an home office or fitness space. So much potential for whatever you need. Another thoughtful feature of this villa is the outdoor shower and toilet area, so you don't have to go inside the house with wet feet. The gardens are beautiful landscaped, with fruit trees adding a touch of nature. And the entire property is surrounded by lush vegetation for privacy. Security is top-notch here, with an alarm system, a CCTV surveillance and electric shutters. Plus, it's in a private location with no direct neighbors overlooking you, so you can enjoy peace and quiet. If you need more space, there's a possibility to add an extra floor. This villa truly has it all. Luxury, privacy, perfect location, just minutes from Guia village and about 15 minutes from the beach. Would you like to book a viewing for this lovely villa or want more information? Feel free to reach out. I'll be more than happy to show you around.